Hey there, friends and followers. This week's video is yet again another property tour on one of the many new construction outfits here in the greater Ocala area. Stick around for the next couple of minutes to see which builder and model it is that we feature and some information about them. So yes, as always, welcome back. Now this is actually the second video in a series where we highlight a new construction option being offered here in the area. As mentioned before, if you're in the market looking for a new home purchase, considering a new construction is always a great option for reasons being move-in ready, lower cost of maintenance via new operating systems, typically a builder or home warranty in place, super energy efficient, and usually these homes are easier to finance. With many options provided here in the Ocala and Marion County area, there are multiple builders underway with construction, providing diversity in styles, concepts, floor plans, finishes, and price. With that being said, allow me to introduce the Richmond B offered by Mark Norman Construction. Now, the Richmond B is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an attached 2-car garage. The home is constructed with a 3,000 psi steel reinforced concrete slab, concrete block built, and beautifully textured stucco finish. Total square foot of living space under air comes in at about 1,473 square foot, and when combined with garage, lanai, and entry area, the home offers 2,164 square foot in total. Other standard construction features to the Richmond B are things like engineered roof trusses with ridge and soffit vents, architectural fiberglass shingles, 2 installed attic accesses, insulated low E-glass windows, R30 blown ceiling installation, garage door and opener, bahia sod placed on the entirety of the lot, and pine bark mulch in the front landscaping bed. Now, as far as the layout of the home, the model is a split floor plan which is separated by a main living quarters, which is then overlooked from an open kitchen and accommodates a dining space to a double door entry out to the lanai area. Just off of the kitchen is a separate indoor utility and laundry room, which is then continued out to the garage space, both modern and ideal. The bedrooms, bath, and main living space contain a PVC vinyl plank flooring, while also the main living space utilizes a cathedral ceiling, giving a modern, open, and inviting feel. The master bedroom contains both a walk-in closet space as well as an ensuite bathroom, and on the opposite side of the house, the guest or spare bedrooms utilize bifold closet door space and are met in the middle with the guest bathroom, complete with a steel shower and tub combo, nickel faucet features, and granite vanity tops. Some great interior features of the Richmond B are various items like standard ceiling fans throughout, textured walls and ceilings, baseboards and trim, door chime and patio light, digital thermostat, and finished garage walls. The kitchen area in particular boasts granite countertops with bullnose edge, shaker-style wood cabinets and doors, stainless steel appliances and kitchen sink, and an ice maker line with a valve installed and coming standard as well. The Richmond B will come equipped for immediate occupancy with energy-efficient heat pump and air conditioning system, smoke detectors, 50-gallon electric water heater, and state-approved well and septic systems. Now, a great upgrade that has been offered in the past is the option to have the lanai area fully screened in, making it the perfect space to enjoy those beautiful spring and summer evenings. Beyond that, there are only a couple of differences in upgrade features to the Richmond B, as it is typically spec built, but with that being said, it can certainly save a prospective buyer the headache of trying to decide between various options for different color and style selections. Another great perk is that the construction outfit will warrant your new home for a period of 1 year from the date of certificate of occupancy on both workmanship and non-naturally occurring structural defects. The builder not only warrants the material provided, but as well as the work performed, giving you peace of mind upon settling in and enjoying your brand new home. Well, there you have it, friends. That has been an overview of the Richmond B by Mark Norman Construction. As always, if you'd like any further information on this model home or any other in the area, drop me a comment below or shoot me off a message directly, if anything, to give me some likes or dislikes about what you thought about this particular model. As always, slide over to the page and give it a like and subscribe to stay up to date with great residential real estate information like this and much other here in the Ocala, Marion County area. As always, thanks for tuning in and checking out the videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next.